On your mineral test, you will be required to write an essay about the 5 characteristics of a mineral. So let's go through those real quick. The mineral characteristics, there are 5. The first one is that a mineral needs to be naturally occurring, which means that the mineral has to occur naturally in the planet. If this particular substance you're looking at is not naturally occurring, it cannot be a mineral. Another characteristic of a mineral is that it must be inorganic, which means that it cannot be made from things that were once living, and it itself cannot be living in any way. So inorganic is the second characteristic. Thirdly, you have solid. Of all the states of matter, in order to be a mineral, it must have the characteristics of a solid. Also, you have crystal structure. Each mineral needs to have a particular crystal structure, and as we've seen in class, whenever the crystal structure has plenty of space, you will be able to see the crystal structure as it's growing. If the mineral is growing in an area where where it doesn't have a lot of space, you won't be able to see the crystal structure as well, but it is still there. And finally, in order to be a mineral, you need to have a material with a definite chemical composition. In class, we called this like the recipe for the mineral. If you change anything of the recipe, then the mineral itself is a new substance, and it too then has to be naturally occurring, inorganic, solid, have a crystal structure, and its own definite chemical composition in order to be a mineral. So we can answer these two questions at the top. Is coal a mineral? We can say definitely not, because coal is not coal is not inorganic. Coal is made of the remains of ancient plants and animals and is therefore not inorganic. Glass is not a mineral because glass is man-made. It is not occurring naturally on the planet. So remember, these 5 characteristics and an explanation of them is required for your only essay on the mineral test. Good luck.